that short dress. Oh my god, I really want that skinny jeans. Oh my god, look at that bikini. It's so crazy. If this is what you keep telling yourself, don't forget to try out the secret tip that will help you lose the excess fat on your body. Hello all you beautiful people out there. Have you heard of this saying, a moment on lips, a lifetime on hips? Well, it's really hard to try and lose weight. Trust me, I can imagine my life without having a chocolate or a cake or that yummy cheese dripping off a pizza. Today is a quick fix for all these problems, as I am going to share with you a tip on how you can shed those flaps within 2 weeks and get the visible results without curbing on your sweet tooth. Here's what you need. Organic honey, 1 tablespoon. Organic cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon. Filtered water, 1 cup. Once upon a time, cinnamon was more valuable than even gold. Cinnamon can actually slow down the process of moving food into your stomach. This is a good thing for all those people who are attempting to lose weight, because this activity will help you feel full for a longer period of time. In addition, the sweet nature of cinnamon can help alleviate a sweet craving. So let's get started. Boil the water and pour it on the cinnamon powder. Let the cinnamon powders be in the water for around 10 to 15 minutes. Now add the honey, stir the liquid and drink it. This is a very simple tip and I recommend this for you. Drink this mixture twice a day, once in the morning on an empty stomach and once before going to bed. And I assure you that you can shed those extra kilos. So guys, all I need to say is that take care of your body, because this is the only place that you have got to live in for the rest of your life. Do write it to me if you have any suggestions or feedback. Also, don't forget the sexiest curve in your body is your smile, so keep it on always. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe. Until we meet next, it's all about being